Hey guys, so today I'm back with another Crumbl review, and here are the Valentine's week cookies, which I'm about to review for you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Crumbl cookies, and this is the Valentine's week, so they have like some special flavors, so let's just get started. So I already showed you guys the flavors earlier, but I'm going to be cutting them, and then I'll be back once I cut them and I'll review them. So they're all cut, and the first one I'm going to review is the Valentine's birthday cake. So I think that one had like cream cheese frosting or something on it, and I didn't expect it to taste how it tasted, and it wasn't my favorite, to be honest. But overall, I give it a 7 out of 10 because it was pretty average, but definitely not what I was expecting. Then we have chocolate strawberry cheesecake, and this one kind of like fell apart while I was cutting it. This one's a lot better. And by the way, this is one of the cold ones, and I actually really like it. The strawberry flavor tastes really good, and same with the chocolate. I give that one a 10 out of 10. Super good. Then lastly, we have the one I was most excited for, which was, I'm pretty sure this like graham cracker covered in like frosting one. The name was super confusing, so I'm not even gonna try to say it. But it looks really good, and it has X's and O's on it. This one's super good. It's super soft, and the thing on top of it is super good as well. I forgot the name of them for some reason though. So I think this one was super good. So I would give this one a 9 out of 10 just because it wasn't as good as the strawberry cheesecake in my opinion, but it was still really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably going to be super short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super simple, and this week's Crumbl was super good, so I definitely suggest you get it before they change. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!